In this video, we are going to see how we can make the payment to vendor pending balances. As we can see here on 28th and 29th of January, we have the payment made to Valentin Sons by check of Citibank, and we have the payment made to Apex Enterprises by check of Citibank. So let's see how we can deal with this. First of all, we are in the daybook, and if you want to directly enter the voucher, alternate A is the key, and we want to switch to payments. If the payment is disabled or showing in gray, that means we are already in this voucher. Make sure the date is 31st of January because we prefer to enter all the transactions on the same date. So Citibank, we are paying it by Citibank, and we are paying to Valentin Sons. So the total balance is 277,500, and we are paying what amount? 175 out of that. First of all, we will check it whether it's against reference. If not, that means it is against an opening balance. So we will settle it on account. Hit enter, enter, and enter. You can mention all the type of transactions. Details can be mentioned here. Any details right now. And once we move to the narration, we can just paste this narration right here. Press Ctrl A to save. And now the second transaction is of 29th of January, alternate A. Go to the payments. Make sure the date is correct. We are paying by Citibank to Apex Enterprise. The total balance is 270,000, out of which we are paying 150. So 150,000. Check against reference. If there is no reference, that means there is no pending bill and all the bill is against the opening balance. So settle on account. Hit enter, enter. You can enter the check details and all. Hit enter until we see this narration option. Just paste this narration right here. Ctrl A to save. And this is how we can make the pending bills payment to our vendors in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.